Fall is the perfect time of the year to gather with loved ones. So we thought we would get one of our loved ones. Friend of the show, Nik Manojlovich, back on the show from Weekend at the Cottage, sharing recipes to become fall favorites. What are you doing? Oh, the heart! Oh, goodness! Oh.
I'm sending you love back.
Look at you. When are you coming into our beautiful new canteen? Why are you still at your cottage? Get in here.
I think that's the next one. I'm coming in maybe for the holidays.
Oh, okay, cool. You always got great stuff. What are we doing today?
Fall favorites. 2 surefire hits for you and your family. We're going to start with a rice dish, a nutty coconut rice dish that is off the charts delicious. We're using a beautiful Thai home Mali rice. And when we're purchasing, we're looking for the green seal of approval from the government of Thailand. This is kind of like your sense of authentic, exceptional quality rice. We're going to take that rice to begin with, give it a rinse. This is going to remove some of that starch. And then we're over to a skillet. I want to do a little bit of a garnish. So I'm going to toast up some shredded coconut, gorgeous golden color, clean out your pan, and we're going to go back and do some sliced almonds. So right away, you're getting a sense of this flavor profile of nutty coconutiness. Does that make sense? Over to the pan, we're adding coconut milk. You're also going to add just a little bit of water and be prepared to see how amazingly fluffy this rice turns out. Let's do chili flakes, a 7-spice Thai blend. We're going to add some garlic, a little bit of ginger, and then we add that rice in. We're going to cover it and cook on simmer for 15 minutes. Do not touch the lid. Leave it alone for 10 minutes. And then check this out, right? How beautiful, gorgeous, and fluffy. We're going to fluff it up, add some of the coconut, add some of the almonds, and you have an exceptionally great dish. It's all about that jasmine rice, the flavor, the quality of the rice, and it's like loaded with vitamins, minerals, B1, B2, niacin, iron, calcium. I'll tell you one thing. I'm going to be having some of this for breakfast this morning as soon as we get off air.
Well,
but
I was going to say, Nik, because a lot of the time if I have extra rice, I'll put it in the fridge and then use it next day for a fried rice or anything like that. Could you be, if you have leftovers of this, I'm assuming coming out of the fridge, reheating that, it would be fantastic.
I'll take it a step further, put it in the freezer, and then reheat. So fridge or freezer, you can make this in advance and have this rice ready to go at record time.
How do you heat that up then?
I just do a little bit of, I don't have a microwave, so I usually do a little saute in the pan, a little bit of coconut oil, flash it up, and you're good to go. Okay,
2 minutes. What do we got? Something about apples?
Apples.
Yeah.
I mean, it is the season. We're in the height of apple season. We want to support our local farmers, buy local. Our Ontario apple growers have over 15 types of apples. We're going to do an apple buckle. I'm going to start the recipe by doing the streusel topping for it. So we're going to mix up a little bit of butter with oats, brown sugar, a little bit of flour. You kind of mix it up with your hands, and then you've got a gorgeous streusel topping. Because we're using Ontario-grown Honeycrisp apples, my absolute favorite, this flavor profile of nuts and butter and sugar works so well. When your streusel's done, next we're heading over to stovetop, and I want to cook off those Ontario-grown Honeycrisps. If you're looking for recipes, we're looking at ontarioapples.com. Our handle on socials is @OntarioApples. Chop up those Honeycrisps, butter, apples. We're going to add some sugar. You can spice it up with cinnamon and nutmeg. And then you're going to add a little bit of lemon just to brighten it. The rest of the cake recipe is a standard, nothing fancy, right? We've got our stand mixer, butter, egg, dry mix, and milk. You're going to be able to whip that batter up in record time. And then we're going to fold in those apples. The apples go in. You have a gorgeous cake batter. You're going to put it into a spring form. We're going to top with streusel topping, bake, and you're ready to go.
Amazing. How long does it need to bake for?
We're doing 40 to 45 minutes. My thing about it is I want you to feel comfortable just to serve as is, or you want to dress it up for, hint, Thanksgiving. Oh, and the yield on it, Tim, is 12. You're going to serve 12 guests with this. You can do a dusting of icing. Yeah,
awesome.
Yeah. You can do a dusting of icing sugar, a little bit of whipped cream, and you're good to go.
Nikki, baby, we got to go. It looks fantastic. We'll see you in studio next time.
Yeah, and go to Instagram. We got a contest.
Okay, Instagram, Nik Manojlovich. See you, pal.
Have a good day.